Ashraf Rahman from Al-Khair Foundation. We are right now in Motinya village in Situate, Rakhine State, and we are doing the food distribution for 600 families in this village. And in one food pack, there's actually rice, 20 kg rice, which they separated from the big sack over there, and dal beans, chickpeas, vermicelli, and also dried noodles. So each family will get all of these items, including the cooking oil.
Thank you.